Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. It's an all-motor 3-valve build. And check this car out, 2006 Mustang. This thing has America written all over it. So I'm pumped because this car looks so cool. And we did an NA build, like I said. We're gonna go over everything we put on this car right here. So again, please subscribe it, notify, stay up to date. Let's go check this thing out. All right, so here's what I have going. Check this out. This is paint. Okay, when this car first came in, I figured it's a wrap because almost everything that comes in anymore is a wrap. But this is painted on. I love the shreds in the back. America, this thing's awesome. Here's what we did. So this car came in for an NA build and it wasn't scheduled for a dyno tune or anything like that. But I said, hey, look, this is getting a very standard turnkey package that we sell via mail order. This is getting all the bolt-ons, normal email tune. We're loading on the car in the shop. We had a little bit of time today, which normally we don't. We want to bring the dyno cell just to see what it lays down. So you buying these parts and we're shipping them out to you and you're getting the email tune, can kind of get an idea of what your car is going to make. I have Doug with me. Let's look at the engine compartment. It looks great. So here's what we did. Of course, Detroit rocker camshafts, Ford Performance manifold, Ford Performance throttle body, GLT cold air intake, Cook's long tube headers, free flowing exhaust, and Borla S-type mufflers. So that's what we installed in this car. Factory fuel injectors, factory heads, factory short block. It already had a set of BD can or dry pulleys on it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make 2, maybe 3 dyno pulls. I'm just gonna do them back to back. We're gonna see what it makes, get an idea of what a car like this would make if you buy these parts, and we ship them out to you to get the email calibration, and that's it. So let's check out this dyno pull. All right, check this out. I will take this any day of the week. 2 pulls in a row, 347 roll horse, 347 at 6,400 RPM. I did take it up a little bit higher than that to see what it would do, but 64 is the peak. Torque came in at 322 and 323. Peak torque, 5,000 RPM. Those are fantastic numbers for a very simple combo. We have a 3-valve Mustang that literally makes like 260, 270 off the showroom floor on a dyno jet. Rated SAE like we're doing today. Intake manifold and throttle body, headers, under-drive pulleys, cold air intake, basic bolt-ons. It's a cool setup. I have to look at this one more time before we go because I just really love the paint scheme on this car right here. And the hood, check out the hood. So this is awesome. You're looking for something like this to be installed, you can always email quote@brenspeed.com, leave a comment, you know I'm always happy to answer. You may have questions, I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, subscribe and notify. Check that description. You might have questions about the intake manifold, questions about the JLT, the parts we put on here, the camshafts, the headers. I'll have links to all that. You click on it, and it'll give you a lot more info. Thank you so much for watching.